In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with supplier overpayments in Xero, 5 minutes. If you've ever paid a supplier a little more than the bill amount or sent a duplicate payment, you'll want that extra money recorded properly so it sits as a credit on the supplier's account. Here's how to do it cleanly inside Xero using the bank reconciliation screen. Start by opening Xero and logging in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct organization, then head to the main dashboard. From here, go to your bank account and open Reconcile Items. This is where we'll match the bank statement line to the supplier bill and record the overpayment in one go. Locate the bank statement line for the supplier payment that's larger than the bill. Click it to expand the details, then choose Find and Match. In the matching panel, search for and select the supplier's invoice that the payment relates to. You'll see the bill amount fill in, but there will be a remaining balance because the payment was higher. To tell Xero what the extra amount is, click New Transaction, choose Receive Money. Even though this is a payment to a supplier, we're using this option because we're allocating the excess cash that came out of the bank. Next, select Direct Payment. Now, change the transaction type to Overpayment. This is crucial. It tells Xero to hold the leftover amount on the supplier's account as a credit to be used later. Add a clear description so future you or anyone else knows what this credit is for. A short note like supplier overpayment from month year is fine. Make sure the contact is the same supplier as the matched bill and check that the amount equals the difference between the payment and the invoice. You don't need to allocate it to an expense account because overpayments post to the supplier ledger. When everything looks right, click Save Transaction. You'll now see the bill and the overpayment together against the single bank line. Confirm the totals, match the statement amount, then complete the reconciliation. Xero will mark the bill as paid and park the extra as a supplier credit. Finally, confirm by clicking OK. A quick tip, you can later apply that overpayment to a future bill from the same supplier or process a refund if needed. Keeping notes in the reference field helps you track why the credit exists. And that's it. Your supplier overpayment is recorded accurately and ready to use.